Welcome back to my channel and the next installment of the What Is series. Today I will be talking about what short-sightedness and long-sightedness actually are and sort out the confusion once and for all. Myopia is the fancy phrase given to short-sightedness, and hyperopia is the phrase given to long-sightedness. In short-sightedness, essentially patients find that things in the distance, such as the TV for example, or the blackboard or whiteboard at school, appear blurry. However, for reading tasks, typically these appear clear. This can occur for one of two reasons or two reasons in combination, and those reasons are the eye is either too powerful or the eye is too long. The problem this creates is the fact that light, which one wants to be focused perfectly on the retina, ends up becoming focused in front of the retina, and therefore patients appear to have a blurred image. Long-sightedness is the converse of short-sightedness, so therefore the eye is either too short or too weak. So instead of light being focused on the retina, light actually gets focused behind the retina. In order to correct both of these problems, typically spectacle correction is used. And what spectacle correction does is, in short-sightedness, the light which is being focused in front of the retina is pushed back onto the retina, and therefore patients appear to get a clear image. And in terms of long-sightedness, the light which is being focused behind the retina is dragged forward and focused on the retina, and again patients achieve clear vision through this means. Other options for correcting both of these conditions include contact lenses and, when and if appropriate, laser eye surgery. This was the latest installment in the What Is series of eye conditions and terminology. Thank you so much for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the next video. If you have found this video useful in any way, shape or form, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for your time. Take care.